Y'all, this bag has been going viral everywhere, and I've been watching it for months. I actually wanted the larger one, but when I went to North Georgia Premium Outlets in Atlanta, this was the only size they had. And I honestly think I may or may not like it better. We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
And I'm feeling good.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. And if you're new here, of course, my name is Candace Denise, the Candace Denise. And on this channel, we do all things girly. We love the girly team. Lifestyle, fashion, self-care, plus size style, and just enjoying the life that we were given. That's what we're gonna do, is live over here. So today I have an unboxing or an unbagging, because this time is bag. We're gonna do an unbag and not an unbox. What I do have is the Maggie Small Tote bag in signature leather. And if you've been on TikTok or even on Facebook or in any fashion groups or been tuned into some fashion content lately, you definitely know that this bag has been going viral. And I've actually been watching it for a while. Originally, I wanted the larger size, but when I went into the North Georgia Premium Outlets, they only had the smaller one. So I was just like, but the large one is still on my radar. And when I saw this small one, it was actually really cute in person. They had it on a mannequin. I will say that I'm really not a black girly. Y'all know I'm a pink girl through and through. I love my pinks. I love color. Anything that has life to it. My fun girly things. But this bag was just too cute to pass up. I could not leave her in the store. She had to come home with me. But the good thing about a black bag, or any bag for that matter, is that you can really style it however you want, which is exactly what I plan on doing today. Baby, we finna pink this bag out. We finna girly it out. We finna Candace Denise it all out. So let's get into what the bag looks like. And I also did get the matching wallet. So let me show you the wallet first. Ooh, get into the wallet, y'all. It definitely was time for a new wallet. And I'm in love. I think I'm in love. This wallet is so cute. And it has a little pouch on the side as well. Let's get into this unbagging of the bag. Y'all ready? Ready? Isn't she so cute, y'all? Isn't she cute? I love Miss Girl. So this is the small size. So I love the structure of it. It's small, but it's not. It still really looks chic. It looks cute. It looks well put together. The leather feels really nice and really durable. And I like that it's one of those type bags that can go with a lot of different outfits, especially when you put your accessories with it. You can style it differently for different outfits. So you can wear this bag running errands, going to brunch, or even just as a cute everyday bag. And y'all know I love an everyday bag, because who changing that purse every day? I may take something out and put it in a smaller one, XYZ, but I'm not changing my whole purse every day. But this is something you can definitely use every day. And it does come with a strap, especially like when you're out and about running your errands and doing those things like that. You want to be able to just throw it and go. Oh, that's pretty long. And it's adjustable. So it just depends on what vibe you're going for. And then you just hook it on. Putting it down, putting you on. There we go. See, strap is nice and long. So even though it looks small, it's very spacious on the inside. Very spacious. Fit everything in, your phone, keys, wallet, lip gloss, a little pouch. Oh, Coach Care Services. I need to keep that. Y'all know we just can't leave it plain like this. So today we're doing it without lip straps. And y'all know I'm a gold girly, so the bag has gold hardware. Only thing I don't like is purchase the matching wallet, but the matching wallet has this stone colored hardware. But it is what it is. It's gonna be inside, so it's okay. I thought I was getting a gold hardware, and I didn't notice it until after I had done got home. I did buy some charms and a chain from Amazon. I got one in, so I'm gonna use that, and then I ordered another one. But I'm gonna show y'all the charms that I actually got. So I got this pink cherry, because of course we're pinking it out, and that's very similar to the Coach cherry. It's just not the same price because it was pricey. So I was taking the little key chain piece off, and then I think I'm gonna put it on this, maybe. We'll see. If I decide I want to change it, then I can. Ooh, that's how it's looking so far. I'm excited. I forgot to take this tag off too. I have the chain, so the charm is already giving it a different look. It's elevating the look, and the chain is gonna do exactly that as well. Oh, I hope my thing fit. Might be too thick. Thickiana. I'm gonna just do it like this for now. But like I said, I have another chain coming. The hardware is thick, so you're gonna need a thick clasp to hook it on. But for now, what we're gonna do is just hook it around. I'm gonna just hook it like this. Let me see how low I want it to hang. Oh, I broke it. I think that's cute. What do y'all think? I think that's low enough. I don't want it to be super droopy. I have another one coming. The fun thing about bag charms is dress your bag up. Just like you accessorize your outfit, you can accessorize your bag and make your personality pop out in your bag. Baby. So now we have the chain on. It's giving. All right, so now we have 2 more charms that I'm gonna put on the other side to balance it out. And they came from Amazon as well. And what I'll do is put down in the description box the link to the different items that I got from Amazon. This one, which is a bow. And then this one is a C. It's looking like the Coach C, but it's a little smaller. I'm putting it on, touching like so. Let's see. Make sure that it stays in place. I don't know why I bite on my tongue. I'm trying to do this. There we go. It's looking really cute. And the last touch is scarf. Now they do sell purse scarves. I did get some of those, but I didn't really like the ones that I got, so I ordered this one. This is actually a large scarf, but we're gonna make it work for the bag. And we're only gonna do the scarf on one handle. It just makes it look chic, fancy. Isn't this cute? Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do a little triangle first, like such and like so. And then I'm gonna tie it around the base first. Like that. Wait, now I'm gonna tie it like that. There we go. Make it a little shorter so it doesn't block the charms. All right, once I got it in a knot and I got it at a reasonable length, and I'm gonna wrap it around to cover that knot as well. And I'm gonna just keep doing this until it's all the way around. Ouch. You wanna make sure you get different parts of the pattern too, so it's not just one way around the whole thing. You wanna show the scarf off. If you got it, flaunt it. And it's not gonna be perfect, so get that out your mind. I wanna do it tight as well. Keep wrapping. All right, and so I'm at the end, so now I just have to do a little knot as well. Miss Girly in over here. And then you can move it. And you can cut your scarves too. And here we have it. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect. I want the knot to go on the other side. And this is the final look, y'all. I love how the accessories make the bag feel more like me. They show more of my personality. And it's not just a one-time thing. It's an ongoing project. So you can always add to, take away. Just make it how you want it to be. Anytime. Change the scarf, change the charms. Really are able to do a whole lot with your bags and show personality. And I feel like this definitely shows my personality. What do y'all think? It went from simple and classic to more girly and popping. And personalized, just like I am. Y'all know the vibes. So tell me what y'all think. We are in the 21 days of candy. And I'm just super excited, y'all. This bag turned out way better than I expected. I had the vision and it came out right. I can't wait to add some more stuff to it and change stuff out and switch to scarves. I'm gonna get a whole scarf collection. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure that you drop down in the comments. Let me know if you have a Maggie, if you have the small one, if you have the large one, if you have the other colors. I'm thinking about stepping into the other colors, and I'm thinking about ordering me the large one as well whenever it comes back in stock. Are you a plain bag girly, or do you like to dress yours up? Do you like more of a handbag, or are you with the shoulder bag? Let me know down in the comments. I'm really feeling this girl, y'all. What do you think? And most importantly, make sure that y'all are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. You know what see when you see them two fingers touching is. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart and the bottom of my Coach Maggie, my Maggie. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.